Hello folks, this is 2025 May-June paper 1-1 and the question number is 12. So this question has actually been asked in the past as well, but I don't know how I skipped it because it's a very fancy question. You can look from the very first word there, Leonardo da Vinci. So he is one of the most pioneering scientists in history. Many of the inventions that we have now is based on his ideas. So the question itself is carries such theme. So it says that Leonardo da Vinci proposed a flying machine that could work like a screw to lift the pilot into the air. The screw is rotated by the pilot. So we have to rotate the screw like this. The screw like this. So let me do, rotate the screw like this, and it will push air down. So the air gives reaction and it will get lifted. That's the philosophy of this thing. So some like the helicopter, yeah, prototype of the helicopter it is. The machine and the pilot together have a total mass of 120 kg, so it is a m. Which useful output power must the pilot provide to move vertically upward at a constant speed of 2.5 meter per second? So this is v constant. So we need to find the power. So the first thing that we have to do is here. The pilot has to create a force upward force here, which is a force applied by him, and he has to fight against the force of gravity. This is the force of gravity. So that's why the resultant force is equal to F applied minus Fz, or the weight. So this is equal to mass into the acceleration. So mass of the whole thing into acceleration. But since we have this constant speed factor here, so it should be equal to 0 because a equal to 0. So this means that F applied minus Fg is equal to 0, and F applied should be equal to Fg, which is equal to m into z. So the person has to apply a force equivalent to its weight, which is equal to mg. Now, the useful power, they should be equal to power equal to force applied into v, because he has to generate that power. He or she has to generate the power. So is equal to force that he or she has to apply into v, and that's equal to mg into v. That's equal to mass is 120 as given from here. Z is 9.81, our standard, into V is 2.5, equal to 2.5. So when I calculate this in the calculator, it will give me 120 into 9.81 into 2.5. So this gives me 2943 watts. Now if I do it in 2SF, it will be equal to 2900 watt. So this answer is available in choice number D. Choice number D here. So this is the correct answer, correct choice.